Hi! So today we're going to find out how to add Amazon affiliate links to WordPress. This is if you have a WordPress site and you already have an Amazon Associates account. So we're going to add a link to this product, Vegas Movie Studio 15 Platinum, to a blog entry we have in WordPress. So we're going to go up to this site stripe up at the top and click on text to get a text link. We'll copy, go back to the blog entry. I'm going to highlight the words I want to make a link. I'm going to go up here where it says Insert Edit Link, and it's just a little icon of a link. Click on that and paste my link and apply. The other thing we're going to look at is if you want to add not just a link but an image that's a link, which can really help you sell those products. So I'll go over to Get Link Image, copy my code. Now here I'm going to go over and where it says visual and text, I'll click on text and I'm going to add the HTML code. It looks kind of scary, don't worry. All I'm doing is copying and pasting. You don't have to know code to do this. I'm going to hit enter. I'll add my code. Now all I did was paste. Go back to visual and there's my picture. If I want to make it say center, I'm going to click on the image. I can align left, center, right, no alignment, so I'll say center. And I'm going to go up. This was a blog entry I already had, so I'll hit update and view post. And there's my picture. Here in Amazon, it's already clicked as medium. I can do small, I can do large, whatever size I want. If somebody clicks on this link, it will actually go to this Amazon listing through my affiliate link, which is perfect. It's exactly what I want. Same with the text here. If someone clicks on this link, it will go to the listing through my affiliate link. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. Thank you.